Alrighty, used engine. A lot of slack in the timing chain, so we're going to put 2 new gears and a new chain on this. Here's your cam gear, here's your crank gear. The engine's upside down on the engine stand. Got some drain pans. So whenever your chain is worn, well, it's going to be worn, it's going to be stretched. The teeth on both your gears are going to be worn just a little bit also. So what we'll do is when you replace a timing chain, you replace the whole set, not just one component, because you want everything brand new. And hopefully we'll come in with a new set that's not that loose. Well, that's a lot. Bearings are torqued down, brand new crank bearings, brand new gears, brand new chain. Let's see how much play we have. 0 to gauge. Push it out. See if we get that in there. 0.589 inches. Almost 0.6 inches. That's a brand new gear set. We'll be returning this. Alright, let's measure the chain here. Chain deflection. Zeroed out. 0.350. What's important to note here is that I'm measuring at exactly the same spot on the chain, and the same from the block to the chain is exactly the same as prior measurements. This is the Land Rover camshaft gear. It's a brand new chain and brand new crank gear. This is the second chain and the second gear that I ordered. I found there to be a significant difference between the length of the chains and the size of the cam gears. This cam gear is remarkably bigger than the brand new aftermarket gear. Now, the parts house was very good. They overnighted me the new parts. As you can see, I want you to compare the 2 videos, 2 parts of the video about chain slack. So this is 350 thousandths of chain slack. Yeah, I think that's about the best we're going to get because of parts availability, and this isn't too bad. Okay, so that's where we are. I'm going to bolt this together.